Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to start crochet this beautiful doily. This pattern written by Irina, Maleeva. I will put a link in description below and you can reach her website. And this pattern is free. Okay, let's check the pattern here. The name is bluma and it has 3 parts. Okay, let's start. For this tutorial I'm using this pink. The yarn is Aliza Diva and the color code is 185. I'm using this 2.5 millimeter hook. Okay, for a start this mandala, make a slip knot. Now 8 chain, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now slip stitch into very first chain here. Now we got a ring. Chain 1 just for a start. Round 1, 16 single crochet into this ring. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. Then slip stitch top of very first single crochet and round 1 finish like this. Before I start round 2, I just cut this yarn here. Round 2, a chain just for a start, a single crochet into same place. Now 3 chain, 1 2 and 3, skip 1 single crochet and into next make a single crochet. Again 3 chain, 1 2 3, skip 1 single crochet and into next make a single crochet. Repeat this pattern and I come back here to close this round. For close round 2, except of last 3 chain, make a chain and a half double crochet top of first single crochet here. Round 2 finish. Round 3, chain 1 just for a start, 3 single crochet into same place into this 3 chain space, 1 2 and 3. Skip this single crochet into next 3 chain space, make 5 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Into next 3 chain space, make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in each of these three chain we have to make 5 single crochet, and I come back here to close this round. For close round 3, make the last 2 single crochet here, 1 and 2, then a slip stitch top of very first single crochet here, and this round finish. Round 4, chain 1 just for a start, a single crochet into same place. Now 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3, another single crochet into same place as first single crochet. Actually it's center of this 5 single crochet. Now 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3, a single crochet in the center of this 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 here, a single crochet. Now 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, another single crochet into same place. Again 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, a single crochet in the center of this 5 single crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3 here, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, another single crochet in the same place, and repeat this pattern. 3 single crochet, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, then a single crochet in the center of this 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 here, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3 and another single crochet here. Repeat this pattern, and I come back here to close this round. Now for close round 4, make a slip stitch top of first single crochet here, and this round finish. Round 5, another slip stitch into this 3 chain space, then chain 1, 2 single crochet into same 3 chain space, 1 and 2, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, now 3 double crochet, bubble stitch into this 3 chain here, 1, 2 and 3. Now a bubble stitch like this, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, 2 single crochet into this 3 chain space here, 1 and 2, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, another bubble stitch into this 3 chain space, 1, 2 and 3, now a bubble stitch, 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, I just repeat the pattern, 2 single crochet here, again 3 chain, and a bubble stitch into this 3 chain space. Yarn over, again yarn over, and again. Now a bubble stitch. Repeat this pattern and I come back here. Now for close round 5, except of last 3 chain, make a chain and a half double crochet top of first single crochet here, and this round finish